Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into the latest news about an asteroid that had everyone on edge. The story of 2024 YR4, an asteroid that briefly became the talk of the town as a potential city killer, is a fascinating one. It all started with a 3.1% chance of collision with Earth in 2032, which is no small number. But, as we'll see, it's not the end of the world, or the moon, as we know it. First things first, let's talk about the discovery. This asteroid was found in December 2024, and it quickly became a hot topic among scientists. The initial estimates were alarming, to say the least. But, as often happens in science, closer observations and more detailed calculations quickly put things into perspective. The key takeaway here is that while 2024 YR4 was initially thought to pose a threat to Earth, further analysis revealed a different story. The asteroid was on a collision course with the Moon, not Earth. This is where things get interesting. The Moon, our celestial neighbor, was in the asteroid's path, and the potential impact could have been significant. But, here's the twist, the Moon is safe. The new observations, made possible by powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, showed that the asteroid will safely pass the Moon at a distance of more than 20,000 kilometers. That's a huge relief, right? Well, not exactly. While the Moon is in the clear, there's still a potential issue. The concern now is the debris that could be kicked up during the collision. This lunar debris could interfere with satellites used for navigation and communications. It's a reminder that even though the Moon is safe, we still need to be cautious about the potential impact on our technology. Colin Snodgrass, a professor of planetary astronomy, puts it best. It would have been a very interesting science experiment, but probably, given the small risk of debris, it wouldn't be one we'd want to try out. The story of 2024 YR4 highlights the importance of continued scientific observation and the power of technology. As telescopes become more advanced, we'll be able to detect and track more asteroids, which is both a blessing and a challenge. Snodgrass mentions that we might get these brief scares more often, but we also have the technology to handle them better. It's a balance we are learning to strike. In the end, the Moon is safe, and 2024 YR4 poses no danger. But the work continues. The European Space Agency emphasizes the ongoing efforts to detect and track near-Earth objects, ensuring that we are prepared for any potential threats. So, while the immediate danger has passed, the story of 2024 YR4 serves as a reminder of the importance of scientific curiosity and the power of technology in keeping us safe. What do you think about this asteroid story? Do you have any questions or thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.